Here.
So this is the head village?
Yes, welcome to Ota village. Entrance into Nkwele village.
Welcome to Maja, a village in Oraukwu.
This is entrance to Irukweleko village. Welcome to Amaeze village. Entrance to Obana village. Entrance into another village. Uru Amada. If you go to Oraukwu, is such an organized community. Yes. Every village is Ebanye. If you go to welcome to Nabo village. Go to Chief Sunday Uzochukwu Luluzo. Akuzulu Oraukwu. Chief Patrick Chiyelueze. Ndị ọlụlụ bụ atụlụtaba egosigo m unu ndị nke nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Chief Ifeanyị ka m melụ influence lo wee bata uri akụzulu mba ọlụlụ nke ya ama nrapụ no sire ọhamadike ndị ọlụlụ eri ka ama nrapụ ejisim my senior brother ejisim ife mwa personal ife nna akpọ ejisim bụ nwa Chukwu malụ nzu Chukwu malụ ya nzu Chukwu mee ya ọma mma nwoke Chukwu mee ya ojide mma nwoke na-ego bụ mma nwoke
oke ọma mma nwoke n'anya wee jidekwe mma
nwoke jide mma nwoke wee nwezie ezigbo obi
ofe onye ka enyelefa
ejisi na magwa eziokwu ifugodi ya ifu nwatakịrị ọ dịghị ka gataba
inwebezie like ife na-akpọ envy you begin to envy your fellow man
otu akwa ka obi dị ya na ọpụta ife adị ọlụlụ ụzọ n'Oraukwu ya Uchenna Ezenni ọlụlụ ụzọ Chineto Ofe lụlụ ụzọ na-azụ be m Chineto Ofe nwere ụzọ nke ọlụlụ Morgan Aford m injinia Morgan Aford m odogwu nwoke Nze Nwakọ ọlụlụ nke ya Chief Onuoha nwere ndị ọlụlụ ike nga abụ onye Oraukwu ma na ogopụta ịbịa n'irubi ote irubie obele azụkpata obele nkụ nnukwu azụkpata nnukwu nke ife anyị na-eme ịma ngụpụ nụchadọn oke mmiri jele Oraukwu ịma ngụpụ ya nke ga-esi wee gụpụzi ya anyị ejegobe eze na-aba eze ọba Chief Ogoo Akanegbu nga nwa ọ na-emekwu nke ya ndị mba Oraukwu erika ịma ngụpụzi n'Onuowu Oraukwu ịma ngụpụ n'obi Ebedike anyị erika Imangopu Obi Chitubelugo Imangopu current PG have been secretary to cabinet wee ruo kịta ma na-asa Afor Oraukwu obi niile Imangopu PG ndị gara aga Imangopu fa onye ọbụla nụrụ nke ya Imangopu Chief Basil Ejidike ọ dị nke o nwere ebe o tekwuru n'ihu bie I don't know mana o kwesịrị ite ọ bụ na o te ha ọnya tee maka na olori ya inezi anya fụ adada ụlọ adọba here a great mansion that is situated here.
So this is 5-story building.
Yes.
There's even power with a solar.
Yes.
In a village.
Yes.
Built by Oraukwu.
Built by our son.
I don't know against Oka. Wow. Mother practice in the church way with here. I am against it. Wow. Makadi kwesịrị ịrapụ m ka m webata Jizọs n'ife na-eme. Ọ bụrụ ịpụta isi m na nke m abụzi ya nọ nke gị bụ ya. Nke gị ka o si bụrụ ya. Ndị ọcha ka igbu mmadụ. Yes. The white man tells us that it is right that a man should marry a man. What evil? But there are the people in our say Christians. Christianity is about Christ. Yeah. Christ is in your heart. Christ is within you. It has not changed the person you are. I believe Igbo. Other than Igbo, if I Jimalo, money can about Christ any more than any other. Wow. And don't get me man just imagine I can have you. We were on some way. Woje ịpụ ọnụ okwukwe efu ile Chukwu na ndụgo imebe ezigbo ọdịnala ịma nsị nwa asị imebe ezigbo ọdịnala ịma nkwọ mmadụ asị imebe ezigbo ọdịnala ịma nna mmadụ ife ya n'ike imebe ezigbo ọdịnala ịma nchenu mmadụ ajụ echiche imebe ezigbo ọdịnala ịma nna mmadụ nwunye imebe ezigbo ọdịnala ịma nna mmadụ anya n'ike onye ọ bụ ezigbo ọdịnala ikwesịghị ekpele ikwe n'ọfa Jizọs Kraịst ọ dị ile na ndụgo
ị na-anya efu ya as the name goes Oragram Technical College MLA established 1959. Mgbe school I bidoro ife ọ bụ Oraukwu Grammar School. Incidentally and not I won't say coincidentally. Ebe a ka m go secondary school.
This is where you school.
Yes. It has produced a lot of big persons in the society. So many commissioners, so many ministers now were groomed here. Okay. Currently, in Idemili anya loketa Igwe Oraukwu bụ ebe a ka ọ gụrụ akwụkwọ.
Okay.
Igwe ndị Ogidi bụ ebe a ka ọ gụrụ akwụkwọ.
This
Green Life, I think that's what he is. Chukwuka. Chief Chukwuka ebe a ka ọ gụrụ akwụkwọ onye nwe hotel a na-akpọ Eziafa ka ego na Nnọkwa ebe a ka ọ gụrụ akwụkwọ. Enwere so many great army officers that were groomed here. That's the Anglican establishment for schools in Oraukwu. Also, the foremost secondary school in Oraukwu. In fact, that's the first secondary school in Oraukwu. Wow. If not, that's on the Niger. Then, yes, 1959 came established.
Yeah.
If you look at this signboard here, as it reads, it says, "Welcome to Obana community."
Okay.
When you are coming into Oraukwu from Ogidi,
Yeah.
there's a river down there called Igbo. You cross it. I will say that Oraukwu development starts from here, from this school. It was a thick forest in those days.
Yeah.
If you call it, it was an Igbo forest, is something like that. They threw away deadly things there.
Yeah.
So it was given to mission and they developed it. When I was schooling here, all these places were the school premises. But now the church has taken over. I think they will build some other things here. But here is the entrance to Obana village.
In Oraukwu?
Yes.
Okay.
We have about 8 villages now. But with time, I believe it will be up to 9.
Okay.
Dimo Obana. Here is Obana. There's Umudim up there. For now, they are combined. We call them Dimo Obana.
So, but there's one thing I find out. Look at this road now leading to the village. It's tired.
Yes, yes. This one is more or less community effort, I think. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, maybe it's in a Uche Ekunife, is it right?
No, not
Uche Ekunife, okay. Sikam, yes, our brother.
Okay.
Is our brother. Well, it is FEMA Road. It's FEMA project.
Okay.
That is championed by Chief Ifeanyi Chukwu Kammel.
Okay.
They are the people that built this one. Then here now is State Road.
Okay, this is State Road.
Yes, this one that joins to Ogidi is State Road. It was done during Ngige regime.
Wow.
It was done. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay.
This road was done during Ngige regime.
Okay.
This road now.
This particular road.
Yes, and that is the major trunk that passes through Oraukwu.
Okay.
There's another road that will go from there. We know it as the First Avenue. It is under construction. Still by farmer. Courtesy of director of farmer. Now I think managing director in farmer. Okay. Chief Ifeanyi Kammelu. Ikwele Nnekunye. We are now moving up to Oraukwu. This road now leads into Nkwele properly.
The Nkwele Oraukwu?
Yes. It's a donation from one illustrious son of Oraukwu called Sunday Uzochukwu. He paid for the construction of this road.
Okay. So which means he constructed this road?
Yes. You can see it there.
Okay.
Chief Sunday Uzochukwu, Ikwele Chiyelueze.
Okay.
Yes.
Construction of this road.
If you go straight through this road, you are entering Nkwele.
Okay.
And Oraukwu is intermingled, interwoven. From Nkwele, you enter Ameza again. Check that tower. We have 2 of it in Oraukwu.
I have never seen this before.
This is Victory Tower. And it's the same person that owns them.
Okay.
Is a child of God. A bishop.
Okay. And from this Oraukwu?
He's from this Oraukwu.
And he decided to build this kind of house here?
Yes.
So he practiced Akorolo?
Yes, and he said something that nothing is big to give back to his community. He used to say it.
Okay.
So that if he can give more, he said he will. And his efforts has shown that he's saying the truth.
Victory power.
He has so much contributed to the progress of this great town. Where we are now is Irukweleko Junction.
Okay.
If you look at the signboard here, this is entrance to Irukweleko village.
Okay.
It's one of the villages in Oraukwu.
Yes.
It's one of the villages in this great town, Oraukwu. Like I said, we have 8 presently. But with time, by the time we finish 1 or 2 things we have at hand, we will be 9. Because Umudim, which is in there, I'll show you Umudim.
Yes.
And Obana are joined now. They are called Dimo Obana. But they will be split by God's grace.
Obana will be different and Umudim will be different.
Then will be 9.
Okay.
From here now you enter Irukweleko. And anya makara anya genu. Ineze anya for Adaduno Adaba here. A great mansion that is situated here.
So this is 5-story building.
Yes.
There's even power with a solar.
Yes.
In a village.
Yes.
Built by Oraukwu.
Built by our son. We have 2 of this in Oraukwu. There's one that is like a landmark at Nkwo. Once you get there, you know you've gotten to Oraukwu.
Okay.
It's very remarkable and historic. It's very remarkable.
Remarkable in the sense that Oraukwu is the land of the great. And one of the things that will make you know that you've gotten to Oraukwu is when you see that great house.
That is a symbol. It's not address.
It's address. And our son that God has used to do this is a child of God. That's why I keep telling people, follow God. Follow God in spirit and in truth. The person that built it is nobody, no other person than Right Reverend Victor Ogochukwu Mbanese. We call him Banex, we call him Vinto, we call him so many fun names. Is a lovable son of Oraukwu.
But is that popularly known as Banex?
Banex.
Yes.
Banex. But for us inside, if I go, Vinto.
So Vinto, you have done well.
Yes.
This is
any gospel program you want to have in Oraukwu outside the established churches, you come here, you discuss with them, and it's not like you come, they will charge you at top because what is important to him is that the gospel should be spread.
That is, Oraukwu is for Jesus.
Yes.
So this road also, again, I see another new tile road here.
Yes. This road now is courtesy of farmer, and it is brought down to Oraukwu by our son, Chief Ifeanyi Chukwu Kammelo. Ikwele is a great chief, is a high chief.
Wow.
Ikwele Mnekunye. I've shown you one of the roads he did there.
So many roads, the same person.
Yes, the same person.
Wow.
That did the one down at Oragram.
Okay.
That road joins to this road.
Oh, so this is massive. Yes. So this man doing this road, even connecting their villages, making sure that there will be no bad roads in Oraukwu. He's from Oraukwu, and many of us can have such opportunity, and we cannot even bring anything to our villages. But he chooses to bring Akorolo to his place.
And not just Oraukwu. Okay. I don't think any community in Idemili North will say, even Idemili South, because I think he influenced a lot. Most communities around here will give God thanks that their son was placed in that position, because he affected everywhere. One or two projects got to almost every neighboring community. He's a blessing.
Okay. A blessing. So this is what we preach.
Yeah.
Akorolo amara watara.
Ebe anyị nọ kịta bụ ime obi Oraukwu.
Okay.
Ebe a bụ ime obi Oraukwu. Ebe a bụ hall mma akpọke nne ya town hall Oraukwu, ebe jikọdọla Oraukwu niile. Nzukọ Oraukwu ebe a ka anyị na-anụ ya. Ebe a bụ seat of office Igwe Oraukwu, ebe a ka ọ dị.
Okay.
Yes.
The Oraukwu Pillars Association. So Achịgba Ọfala ebe a
ka a na-anọ awaji gba Ọfala na-eme mmemme dịla Oraukwu. Ebe a ka ọfịs Oraukwu dị. Currently ndị Congress anyị nwere ọfịs ebe a na fa na-eyuzukwu ya. Mana I believe na with time a ga-alụzi administrative block ga-abụwaga ebe ndị Congress ga-anọ. Mana ebe a bụ seat of Oraukwu rulership. Ọrụ a bụ Igwe na-anọ eme ife niile ọ na-eme. So ebe a bụ heart of Oraukwu meeting, everything dị mkpa bụ Oraukwu. Ebe a ka anyị na-abịa ekwu ya. Ebe a bụ ime obi Oraukwu.
Ime obi Oraukwu Kingdom. Igwe Chiyelueze II.
Yes.
Changing the face of Oraukwu. This is massive. So Igwe Chiyelueze. Chiyelueze. Changing the face of Oraukwu.
You can just come close and have a look there.
Okay.
Arena. I know everything.
Oh, basic arena.
Yes, okay. I know everything. It wasn't as big as this. We keep expanding, and that expansion was then Amarachuku. It will continue to go.
Okay.
In the next few years, so
okay. These archives.
If I bunde Oraukwu Chukwumela aka n'obi, fa na-enye aka n'ife a na-eme. Ike nga Oraukwu. Ebe a initially ebe a bụbu wall, mana mmadụ nwa afọ Oraukwu wetala ego eji elu ya Ikenga. Ijekwa ebe no the same thing. Ebe a mmadụ wetala ego eji gopụta ebe a. Na-agbasa. Yes. Very nice na-eme na Oraukwu, anyị na-eme ya dịka ụmụnne.
So it's like collectively.
Yes.
Onye ọbụla bịa weta, nke iji weta.
Yes. Nwanne m Efra Joseph Ezenna ya. Ezenna ya Oraukwu. O wetakwala ego onye ọbụla nọ n'Oraukwu, onye ọbụla nke ị nwere nke a na-edugali unu kịta ego one ka unu nyere m
So nke onye nwere ọ na-atụnye nke onye nwere ọ na-atụnye na ife dị mkpa bụ na Oraukwu bụ the land of the great. Mgbe gboo a sị na Oraukwu eto dike mana igwe anyị bịa change the narrative ịfụzi akịta ịfụ na Oraukwu na-eto dike. Ife ọbụla imelụba ezigbo ife Oraukwu niile ga-akụrụ gị aka kene gị. Egosigo m na ebe Chief Sunday Ụzọchukwu lụrụ ụzọ edela afịa na ya onwe ụzọ ọbụla anyị batara afọ mma egosigasị unu ya.
So currently you are not giving the title eto dike.
Yes, anyị na-etozi dike kịta Oraukwu na-etozi dike o wee mekwa ọzọ. So many songs egosigo m unu towards Banex na-alụ ụzọ niile efụlọ ndị mmadụ na-alụ ya akụzulu mba Oraukwu Chief Patrick Chibueze ndị ọlụlụ bụ atụlụtaba egosigo m unu ndị nke nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Chief Ifeanyị ka m melụ influence lo wee bata urika ụzọ ọlụ na Oraukwu.
That name so can you just call them like these people about 4, 5, 6?
Yes, mmasị gara m na-akpụ ya nke bịa kpọọ mmadụ nke bịa otu onwezi onye rapụ ọ dịka onwe ya na-ese akụgo nkịta akụzulu mba ọ lụrụ nke ya ama nrapụ nụ sire ọhamadike ndị ọlụlụ erika ama nrapụ Ejisin my senior brother Ejisin ife mnwa personally ife m na-akpọ Ejisin bụ nwa Chukwu malụ nzu Chukwu malụ ya nzu Chukwu mee ya ọma mma nwoke Chukwu mee ya ojide mma nwoke na-ego bụ mma nwoke
ọma mma nwoke n'anya wee jidekwe mma
nwoke jide mma nwoke wee nwezie ezigbo obi.
Ofe onye ka enyelefa
Ejisin ama gwa gị eziokwu ifugodi ya ifu nwatakịrị ọ dịghị ka gị tara
inwebezie like ife na envy you begin to envy your fellow man.
Otu akwa ka obi dị o ịbịa nso ndị aghọtaghị elu ọ dịka ya asị mana ịmago na onwe onye na-azụ ndị ala imebe ihe nzuzu ha like nzuzu otu aka ọ dịkwa ọhamadike ọha like nzuzu otu aka ọ dị akụzuru mba ọra like nzuzu mmekwuzi maka ka mkpọtụkịta ụfọdụ ndị lụgasịrị ụzọ na elu ọpụta ife adị ọ lụrụ ụzọ na Oraukwu ya Uchenna Ezenni ọ lụrụ ụzọ ebe ebidokwa na ịlụ ụzọ a bụ na obi ezu lụburu ndị obi Ezenna ji ụzọ ụzọ ahụ kịta gọọmenti na-alụzi ya ka ọ dị biga mana nke ahụ ọ lụrụ last obi ezu lụrụ ụzọ Chineke Ofe lụrụ ụzọ na-azụ be m Chineke Ofe nwere ụzọ nke ọ lụrụ Morgan Aford m injinia Morgan Aford m odogwu nwoke Nze Nwakụ ọ lụrụ nke ya Chief Onuoha nwere ndị ọ lụrụ kedu onye ka anyị sị na m achọrọ ịkpọba maka onwe onye ịkpọ ọzọ ọ dịka ya asị
ife niile a na-akpọ bụ ndị the sons and daughters of Oraukwu.
Of course na Ikenga bụ onye Oraukwu ma na oge pụta ịbịa n'irubi ote irubie obele azụ bata obele nkụ nnukwu azụ bata nnukwu nke ọ ife anyị na-eme ịma ngụpụ nụchadon oke mmiri jele Oraukwu ịma ngụpụ ya nụ ka esi wee gụpụzi ya anyị ejegobe eze na-aba eze ọba Chief Ogoo Akanegbu nyanwa ọ na-emekwu nke ya ndị mba Oraukwu erika ịma ngụpụzi n'Onuowu Oraukwu ịma ngụpụ n'obi Ebubedike anyị erika ịma ngụpụ obi Chitubelugo ịma ngụpụ current PG have been secretary to cabinet wee lue kịta ma na-asa abụ Oraukwu obie niile ịma ngụpụ PG ndị gara aga ịma ngụpụ fa onye ọbụla lụrụ nke ya ịma ngụpụ Chief Basil Ejidike ọ dị nke o nwere ebe o tekwuru n'ihu bie arọnnọ mana o kwesịrị ite ọ bụ na o te ha ọnya tee maka na oluri ya
so ọ bụrụ ọzọ ụsa
olugo oge olurie ma agụpụkwa ụmụnne m nwanne m nwoke a na-akpọ Nwachukwu kwọ n'azụ nyanwa bụ onye izi tinye street light personally n'ama eze dọọ ya from be Nabo onye wee lụọ ọjị aka ọ ma younger brother mere ya Nwachukwu kwọ n'azụ anyị na-ekenekwu anyị na-ekene biko onye ma akpọrọ afa asụ segregatory please ọbịa n'ọnụ ọbịa n'isi ekwue n'ọnụ na-akpọrọta aka nwere ike ịkpọkwa gị nchetakwa nke imela akpọkwa gị ebe anyị nọ kịta bụ ibe na-abụ junction ile anya ifugo na Oraukwu bụ such an organized community every village ị chọrọ ịbanye ịfụ ka fa gosiri na ịbatalago befa ọnwa ide mmiri bụ onye melụ nke a kọsi ọkwa ọnwa ide mmiri a na-akpọ World Bank onye ibe na-aba ka ọ bụ this major road bala ibe na-abụ ị na-anya ebe ịfụ ime obi Oraukwu you see ime obi there you see the Eke our major market here. It is centered at the Ibenabo Junction is centered at the heart of the community. I can call here the heart of from here to Afor is the heart of this community. In Anyaba, I really don't know if I could have but I'm more personally put up an answer. If I have not your Igbo even Nakuya.
Okay, no Oraukwu.
Ọ ife mụnwa kpọrọ ya.
Symbolical ọkwa Jesus.
Mba foto enyeghị aba Jizọs bụ ihe a gwara gị. So mụnwa ihe mbara nke a ka ọ ya aza.
Okay, nna Oraukwu. Okay, nsogbu adịrọ.
So ịkpọ ya Jizọs, ebe na Jizọs bụ nna anyị Oraukwu.
Okay.
Ịkpọ ya otu a anabatakwuru nye.
Okay.
Maka Jizọs bụ onye Oraukwu.
Okay.
Jizọs bụ onye Oraukwu. So ịkpọ ya like this anabata nye.
So this is nna Oraukwu gosifa ya?
Yes, ọ nna anyị Oraukwu.
So ifu Oraukwu na mma mara na nna fa na echekwa.
Otu a ka ọ dị. O wedoro ya na Oraukwu na Chukwu dị na mma.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, this is it. Okay, for Oraukwu was the village. If I was somebody, I have to be. Can I call room like in the Lagos? If you're like some people that are based in Lagos, if they're like telling you that I want to go to my village, this is where they always come. Look around, see how organized, see how neat. This is Igbo village somewhere in Anambra State. This is massive, man. Entrance
into another village.
Welcome to.
Another entrance into another village. Uru Amada.
Very tired.
All the time.
Neat.
Good. Where badazi Uru Amada. Otu according to where badalu Uru Amada. Where join kwazi another one. No pota kwazela Nkwo. I say ba ya gbago Nkwo igosi mo Nkwo. I nwelo Ekenwoye. Nwa Afor. Where Nkwo. I always will find channel Oraukwu. Okay. You got to go. After now, I want to know why we sell ya. Okay.
Yes. And your village is very busy. It's not scanty. But if you look at the village, you know that Nande Madonna, Afia now, so people are there.
Yes.
And everything is going like well.
Yes.
So if I have a man security, I thought I'm Oraukwu.
Omandeku. Omandeku onya kanji ase ndị nalwe fa chukwa ife chukwu debelu fa. Ife chukwu debelu Oraukwu bụ ịfụnanya. Maka na mmụọ na-alụ ọrụ bụ ebe ịfụnanya dị. Ike chukwu ewe na-apụta ife.
Yes.
Ana m asị ụmụ Igbo, ị na-agụ Baịbụl, ị na-eme ọdịnala, na-agụ Baịbụl, kama ị na-agụ, ị na-atụgharị uche. Abụ ọma 133 ọ sị gị na ka o si dị mma, na ka o si bụrụ ebe nwagburu onwe ya. Ebe ụmụnne dị n'otu. Ibe n'ikpeazụ ọ sị na ebe a ka Chukwu na-enye ngọzi iwu. Ife ọ na-ekwu ife anwa bụ, ọ na-abịa ekwu ya ọ na-efu na-efe. Ife ọ na-ekwu ife anwa bụ ịfụnanya ụmụnne. Ebe ọbụla enwere ịfụnanya, mmụọ ọbụla n'ebe ahụ na-eji ọṅụ arụ ọrụ. Ọ Chukwu na-echekwa Oraukwu, ọ bụrụ ike aka anyị. Because Chukwu,
the love and unity of the
love and the unity.
Wow.
And then we even kpatara ya mana ịchọzi nke anwa. Ịma na anyị ejekwa ududo oku n'ọnụ ya. Ewe kọọlụ unu nke ahụ, enwe ihe kpatara na ede otu anyị si wee dị. Anya enyeghị nke ahụ.
Okay, so okay, so we are still documenting about Oraukwu, yes. And this is a great kingdom. This is a great community. In short, I'm speechless. We are speechless. We are very marveled. Look at just no, bro. Just look. You see here, road, paved road. By my right, if you are Rosa, look at here. Obodo where Maka. This is someone another 3-story building in a village.
Our microfinance bank.
This is microfinance bank.
Yes, we don't work in with you.
Okay, so this house here now. So this house is microfinance bank. Or
yes, our microfinance bank is here. Our library is there.
Okay.
The much we've documented. I'm a library portion there.
Wow, that's massive. What if you have court, clinic,
can you imagine here? It's also tied.
You see, every corner of the street in this town is tied. It's in Afia with quotal.
We've marked here. We maintain wherever.
Okay, after because I want to emphasize on maintenance because it's not building roads.
Look at it now. Amak here. Pancha documented. Okay. Will be maintained.
So all the roads. Look at this one. Just sea road. Unkwele. Another third road that
if you look, even they here, but you would have seen the inscription. Entrance into Unkwele village.
Yeah, I'm seeing it. I'm even seeing it. Okay.
If you go down here, you're going to Unkwele village.
Okay.
Here now is Amada
village.
Amada village.
Okay.
If you go upright, you are going into Amaeze village.
Here.
Yes.
So this is about junction of three villages. Okay.
And then well positioned here is the foremost Anglican church in Oraukwu. St. Thomas Anglican Church.
Wow. Can you remember the year? Because I'm seeing the house is vintage.
Even yes, with the I cannot remember, but I remember that we are more than 100 years now. We've done centenary, yes.
Wow. Then it's like you people are mostly Christian, no? Like it's like missionaries came here earlier on, because I saw different churches, Catholic, Sermons, Catholic, what is it? The Anglican Church, everywhere.
Yeah.
No,
I told you when we started that I'm a Christian, but I don't play down with my culture and my tradition.
I love that.
I can't play with it because that is whom I am, and that is my pure relativity with God.
What I even noticed, how you just emphasize on Bible here, that is too deep.
Yes.
You see, people will watch you and know that like there is, some people, because of the practice maybe ordinary, they just hate everything about
you
Bible.
You can't separate Bible from God. Bible is the manual God has given us. And currently, see, God's movement with man is dynamic. It keeps evolving.
Yes.
It keeps improving.
Yes.
The only reason why God allowed the white man to come in here and exploited us was for us to accept Jesus Christ.
Okay.
So now that you're a traditionalist, the real thing, the good thing that has come into life of man should be involved in your traditional practice, which is Jesus Christ. You can practice tradition with God and Jesus is not there. Then you're still left at there. The only reason ndị ọcha ji wee bịa ghọli nwa anyị, Chukwu negidere anya wee fụ na ịnabata Jizọs dị mkpa karịa na emebere anyị sị na emeriri ndị ọcha. Ozugbo anyị rụsịrị maka Jizọs, nabata Jizọs. Ịtọzie n'akụkọ nke ndị ọcha abụọzi nke Chukwu kwuru, nke a gbasara gị. Because e nwere so many things a bịazi ekọbala anyị abụọzi nke Chukwu kwuru. Onye ka a na-asọ ọpa asị gị ụka. Adịrọ m against ụka. Mana practice ndị ọcha ji wee weta ya, adị m against it. Maka na ị kwesịrị ịrapụ m ka m webata Jizọs n'ife m na-eme. Ọ bụrụ ịpụta isi m na nke m abụzi ya nọ nke gị bụ ya. Nke gị ka o si bụrụ ya, ndị ọcha ka igbu mmadụ. Ndị ọcha ka iwe ajọ obi. Kịta mụ na gị nọ. The white man tells us that it is right that a man should marry a man. What evil? But there are the people in our say, ndị ọcha bụrụ Christians. Christianity is about Christ. Christ is in your heart. Christ is within you. It has not changed the person you are. I bụ ndị Igbo. Ọdịnala Igbo bụ ife anyị ji malụ. Mana ị ga-anabata Christ n'ime ọdịnala ị na-eme. And onye ga-eme na ịma nje gwụgwọ ọgwụ, ịma ntinye aka n'aka ife. Mgbe ị nwalụ nzu mmanya edo, nwụọ ọjị, ịpụọ n'okwukwe, ịfụ ile Chukwu na ndụ gị. Imebe ezigbo ọdịnala ịma nsị nwa asị. Imebe ezigbo ọdịnala ịma nkwọ mmadụ asị. Imebe ezigbo ọdịnala ịma nna mmadụ ife ya n'ike. Imebe ezigbo ọdịnala ịma nchenu mmadụ ajụ echiche. Imebe ezigbo ọdịnala ịma nna mmadụ nwunye. Imebe ezigbo ọdịnala ịma nna mmadụ anya n'ike. Onye ọ bụ ezigbo ọdịnala. Ikwesịghị ekpele ikwe n'ọfa Jizọs Kraịst ọ dị ile na ndụ gị. Ọkwa ndị gbasara ụlọ Jizọs Kraịst n'ebe eme. Jizọs bụ onye ọrụ ukwu. Then what more do you want to hear?
I love that. See, ọ bụ na-ama nzu na-awụ ọjọ every morning, na-atụrụ ndị iche mmanya. Don't misquote him. Every morning or 12 or manzo or 12 famanya or pepper with orgy. I practice. I cannot leave my house, man. No, no, netro ndi che ben na mafa. Kezi ndi bundi mozi, kezi ndi bundi angel. I say Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Don't forget your forefather. Don't forget your father. Don't. Abraham,
common sense.
My own Abraham, Igbo, Joseph Igbo, Alfred Igbo. That is my Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob.
Okay, some people will ask you, since this is the first and foremost church in this town, what have this benefited Oraukwu people?
Thank you. Without the entrance of these churches in Oraukwu, this Anglican church, Catholic church, Pentecostals in Oraukwu, there is this level of ignorance we will still be living in.
Okay.
I am the one now telling you that as you are doing ordinary and you are conscious of Jesus Christ, that is light. That is light. Because what it does now is you now begin to operate by, let me put it this way, you begin to operate consciously by the will of God.
Okay.
You begin to operate consciously by the will of God. And it was because these churches came in that we're able to have so many people that are educated now.
Okay.
If not, our education would have been left at the level we were. If you ask me, the black man was so intelligent
But somehow, I don't know how it happens, but our development and education was lost somewhere. Because through my researches, I found out that we have known more than we know now. We are going back to where we were. We have gotten to a height. Before, I don't know what happened. We started again.
Yes.
And that is why I will always stand it anywhere to tell anybody, don't tell me that these Europeans discovered us.
Okay.
Rather, if you tell me that these Europeans came to confuse us, I will agree. But church has not done that. Because church solely is talking about God and God's agenda. You understand?
Okay. So there's two different things.
There are two different things.
Okay.
There are two different things. Europeans are different from God. The Europeans are the ones that did us evil, not church. They came and twisted the teachings of God that will suit them. That is their narrative. Okay. What is important between you and I now is to turn that narrative back to reality about whom we are.
And use it in the good ways of our own.
Do you read that Jesus said somewhere, I have not come to destroy the law and the prophets, but I have come to make it, establish it. How will you establish it? Is it not in your heart to know that God is in your heart? When God is in your heart and you are conscious of that, you know what you know, whatever you name. You want to offer something in here. They will understand that they are something in here. On that one day here. It's why you know, but they can call it sense, Mama.
So in all you're saying now that this church like contribute to education, like
it contributed to education. It brought us what I will call modern medical practice. We were civilized.
Civilized.
We were civilized. We were civilized. But somehow they quenched our civilization and want to make us believe that we were not civilized. We were civilized. We were even more than civilized than they. See, anybody who can be a cannibal eating themselves, that person is not civilized.
Yes.
Any human who can come out and begin to tell you that this one can be my wife, I wait this one, I go to bed with this one, that person is a barbarian. That person is not civilized. No African man will think about that. That will show you that African man is civilized.
Is more, yeah.
We are more civilized.
You even fear God more than them.
Of course. Of course.
Wow, this is
they will come and tell you, for Christ's sake, stop that rubbish.
Every part has bad side.
They had their own bad side, yes. And if you look over there, you will see another big church edifice.
Okay.
That is the foremost Catholic church in Oraukwu.
Okay.
And it is housing the central school, Oraukwu.
This is central school, Oraukwu.
That is here.
Okay.
There is community school in that Anglican church, but we could not see it. Okay. Then the Catholic church has the central school. And these two churches, St. Thomas's and St. Joseph's, both of them has parented three parishes each in this Oraukwu. With the Anglican church, we have All Souls, Our Savior, and Mount Zion. With the Catholic church, we have Maryland, the one we saw, St. Albert's, and Holy Family over there. Wow. That is where I will make a little contribution now. Okay. The same way these churches are multiplying, I am asking my people, please, let us multiply industries too. Let us bring down industries. Okay. So that people here, because you can see the population is growing rapidly. Okay. With the growth of this population, we need a room for employment as well. Okay. And you know, church somehow is let me not put it that way. Church also is industry of its own somehow. Okay. But it is not too open to accommodate people for works. Yeah. So I am pleading. We have so many industrialists in Oraukwu. Okay. That's where I will ask us to. We are trying, we are doing it, but let's do more. Let's bring more industries back to Oraukwu. The same way the churches are increasing. Let industries increase. Yes. Okay. That's all I'm saying.
Okay, so this is massive for the sons and daughters of Oraukwu. We need more industry in Oraukwu. Oraukwu is growing big. Everything is in Oraukwu now. We learn to have more industry, but we cannot take the fact that you people are doing well. People are doing well, but we have to add more. Yes. We have to add more industry. Even if it's pure water, we need it. Even if it's farming equipment, anything. Yes, that can give our people employment. It will benefit us.
Ebe anyị nọ kịta bụ Nkwo.
Okay.
Nkwo Oraukwu.
Yeah.
Ebe a bụ Nkwo Oraukwu. Ị na-anya from Nkwo a ka esi abanye village Akolaeze Maja.
Okay.
As you can see from the up.
Okay. So welcome to Maja, a village in Oraukwu.
Yes.
Wow. And the phones are already.
Nke a bụ government presence. Another government presence anyị na-enweta n'Oraukwu. This major road agwago m nnọọ ngige lụrụ ya.
Oh, okay.
Nke a kịta bụ na gọọmenti Soludo a kịta ka a na-alụ ya.
The solution is here.
Yes,
wow.
Enwe mgbe m kwuru nsị na n'obi ezu Oraukwu solu onye izizi te kolota na anị Oraukwu. Ọ ụzọ a ka o telu mgbe a. Ị na-egeti ya anya ịfụ nọ nwa ya nwoke bụ onye donate gate ya.
Okay.
Nwalibe akụ mana kịta onye nwaba anya Oraukwu. Anya Oraukwu. Onye donate gate ya.
So that is Mr.
and pharmacist Mrs. JSU Ugochukwu Ikwele Nwalibe akụ.
Okay.
Kịta ọ bụzi anya Oraukwu. So isi ụzọ agbadaba kịta ịbanyekwa another village ese Naja. Ebe a niile ba afịa ka ọ bụbu Nkwo. Ebe a ka Oraukwu zụrụ Nkwo.
Okay.
Ọ ka bụ Nkwo Oraukwu. Ịbata Oraukwu asị gị Nkwo ịmara ebe a ka a na-ekwu. Ebe a niile bụ Nkwo. Especially ime ebe a bụ Nkwo Oraukwu.
Okay. So just look at this building. Show them this building here. So this building is over 40 years or 30.
This building na Kaligo 40.
Yeah,
this building
so this 40. Is somewhere in a village. You will now think just check 40 years back or 45, and the amount of people can be the on a village. This is who are big houses, mansions. So kind of
in Anyakata, we are in another village. You can see we are in another village. And as the right up here, the inscription says, "Welcome to Amaeze village, Oraukwu."
Yeah.
Built by Obi-Wan age grade. Okay. Here is my own village.
So this is your
own
village.
Village.
Okay.
Amaeze village. We are known popularly in Oraukwu as British.
British people.
Yes, they call us British.
Why?
Out of love, the way we bring positive ideas to the progress of the town. So generally, nobody disputes that. Wow. Our people are happy to call us that. Okay. And we are not taking any pride in that.
It's just like it's just like a family.
It's family thing.
Yeah.
It humbles us more because what it does to us is we contribute more. We try to contribute more. In building the gates, we are one of the foremost people that built it. Then others began to build.
They stay strong and beautiful.
If we have time, I would have gone to show you our own. This Amaeze village. Their hall, Imobi, Amaeze Imobi. The same way we have Oraukwu Imobi, Amaeze has Imobi. And some other villages are emulating that. You know, if them
yes,
you copy what is good.
Yes.
So this is the village of light, Amaeze village.
Satan.
And we are known as Amaeze Ago.
Okay.
We are warriors.
Okay, no,
we are warriors. And that Obi Igbo Aneka, Obibem is one of the head Obis in Amaeze. Igbo Aneka being one of the foremost families in Amaeze. Because my own kindred is the head kindred in Oraukwu.
Okay.
This road you are seeing now is done by an illustrious son of Oraukwu.
Okay.
Chief Sir Patrick Chiyelueze Bozak Akuzulumba.
Wow.
He donated this road
to his people.
Yes, to Oraukwu people. And another road there. He donated about 3 roads.
Wow.
And this road you are seeing now is more than 10 years old.
Solid and quality.
Yes.
So we greet you.
Yeah.
Bozak
is courtesy of Bozak Akuzulumba.
Okay, Kibia.
Otu akode. Ezigbo mmadụ.
Okay, Kibia, because this road is up to 10 years.
Yes.
This is what we're supposed to be emulating.
Yes. You can see the caves. He built it very strongly, solidly. Put caves by the road down. This cave goes down.
Wow.
And if you go to that place, I'll show you this my own street.
Okay.
The street light from here to up there.
So this street right now.
This one now is from government.
Okay.
Actually, our Igwe attracted this. I was the errand boy, and our Igwe attracted this. Okay. It was done in Obiano's time.
Okay.
Yes. But there's a street light that runs here. I've told you before that my own younger brother is the foremost person that single-handedly put street lights for the community. And that street light is on this road.
Okay.
It's on this road.
So is it like what's happening here is like whatever you can do to make Oraukwu
great, to move forward.
Do it. Don't look back.
That is it.
Don't be sentimental.
Contribute yours.
Okay. This is my
Ogum. Thank you very much. That's the street light I'm talking about. That one hanging in Dutch pool.
Okay.
It stretch straight through this road down to where it stops.
And again, see, look at this is a junction in a village. In our roads.
This particular road is contributed by, is attracted and contributed by Chief Ifeanyi Chukwu Kammelu.
Okay, this one is different, and then this one is different.
This one is by Akuzulumba.
Hey, okay.
This one is by Ifeanyi Chukwu Kammelu. Ikwele Nnekunye brought this to us.
So,
and Ikwele Nnekunye brought that one that run down there too.
Okay, so he has another one.
He attracted so many roads. The same way if you come to Ota village, Edison, Sire, they did so many roads there.
So this is the sons and daughters of this town. They do this road. They're building this town collectively.
Yes.
Do you understand? Collectively. Individual efforts. Ifo Budade, Okode, Uzode, family security. This is a village we should be proud of. Let's go.
As you can see, we are in the entrance to another village. We started from down to come up. But ironically, here is the head village of Oraukwu. Oraukwu is a town that respects their elders. We don't disrespect ourselves. Okay. We do things by hierarchy. And that is why love is flowing. As you can read here.
So this is the head village?
Yes, welcome to Ota village.
And the same village is well tiled. So the more remarkable something is that every road, all the villages have an entrance, and the entrance is well maintained and tiled with total roads, very clean.
Yes.
So this is the first village in this community, in this town, in this village, Oraukwu.
Yes.
Let's go.
Thank you.